W8591 digital signal processing. Unit 1 Introduction. So, third, some truly. So, this is myself, Abdul Rahman, working as a assistant professor. Uh, so, this is syllabus for digital signal processing. Unit 1 and Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4 and Unit 5. So, this is for third year, fifth some triple syllabus under university. So, this is a textbook. Pakis and then that reference book are also available. So there are 5 reference books are there given by an university. So unit 1 introduction. So introduction about digital and digital signal processing. So basically we know that what is digital. So digital it's a computer based word. So we know that there is zeros and ones only present. So these are the application we used for digital: industrial process, military system, television, communication system, medical equipment, navigation. And digital signal processing, that means, so the digital signal processing and analog signal processing are subfield of signal processing. So okay, so DSP application: audio signal processing, speech processing, sonar processing, radar, digital image processing, data compression, telecommunication, biomedical engineering. And signal. So we already know. So the subfield of signal is digital signal processing, analog signal processing. So signal is nothing but it's a physical quantity which contains some information. So that is called a signal. So it's a two types of signal: is an analog signal and digital signal. So analog signal, it's a continuous value and the real value scenario observed by the nature. An example for analog signals, the temperature, pressure, distance, sound, voltage, current, power. So these are the examples for analog signal. And graphical representation for analog signal, it's shown as a temperature. So this is temperature and this one is time period. So this is look like a continuous time signal. So we see that as a daytime. If it is daytime, is morning time, the temperature is very less. After the time period is moving, it's a peak time. Maybe it's uh, uh, due to that that lunch time. So that time it's a peak. Then it's reduced. Then the next day will be started. So like that, the graphical representation is shown. Okay, the circuit and analog signal. Okay, the circuit it's process the analog signal, that is called as analog circuit system. If the circuit process digital signal, that is called as digital system. So analog system have filters, amplifier, television, receiver, motor speed control. And disadvantage of analog system is less accuracy, less facility, more noise, and more distortion. So this is digital signal. So it's a finite number distinct value. And then that digital signal have the only low or high values, only zeros or ones. This is a graphical representation for a digital system, and binary values are presented here. So this is exam. That the circuit process the digital signals, that is called the digital system. So example for digital system: register, flip-flop, counter, microprocessor. An analog for digital system: more accuracy, more versatility, less distortion, easy communicate, and possible to storage of information. So this is a comparison of analog and digital signal. So there's a comparison. It's a infinite value has analog signal and digital values having finite values. An analog signal has continuous nature, digital signal has discrete nature. Okay. So the example for analog signal is sine wave and triangular wave, and digital signal, for example, binary signal. Okay. 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 Thank you. So next video we will continue with the signals and system.